Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure you have an admin account and the app path or bundle ID. Open Finder and locate the application, then use Get Info to confirm its exact name and path. Once done, open System Preferences to check current network permissions and note any active VPNs. You need this context so your changes target the right binary, otherwise rules may not apply. Now proceed to install or confirm a firewall tool like Little Snitch, or plan to use Mac OS PF for system-level blocking. You will now create concrete rules. If using Little Snitch or Lulu, click Add Rule, choose the app, set direction to outgoing, and choose block for any network. If you prefer PF, open terminal and edit /etc/PF. Conf, add an anchor that blocks traffic from the app's binary path or UID. Then include that anchor in the main config. After editing, run sudo pfctl f/etc/pf conf to load changes and sudo pfctl e to enable the packet filter. Make sure to save backups. Finish by testing the app. Launch it and confirm it can't reach the network using Activity Monitor or sudo netstat-n. If traffic persists, make sure System Integrity Protection or code signing isn't redirecting or spawning helper processes. Check the exact binary path and rule precedence. Adjust rules to capture helper processes too. If something breaks, revert quickly. Disable PF with sudo pfctld and flush rules with sudo pfctl fall, or remove the specific rule in your firewall app. One tip: always keep a backup of original configs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.